Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to recover memory card data using your computer. So as the initial step, you need to go to your browser. You can use any browser for this one. Then after, tap on the address bar, type IKEA data recovery like this, hit enter. You need to go to their first website, ikearecovery.com. Just tap on it. Okay, once you see this window, you need to scroll down and tap on SD card recovery option. Tap on read more button and tap on free download. So this is around 4.2 megabytes. Once it is downloaded, you can install that one. There are guidelines also in here how to use that one. So you can see this is the initial window and this is how to step by step instruction. So you can find the recovery data from here. Okay, and they have a paid version also. It has more capabilities. Okay, so once you downloaded it, you can simply install by just tap on next button over and over again. So once you install that one, you can see that IKEA SD card recovery icon like this in the desktop. You need to double tap on it. It will show this kind of menu. So now you need to plug your memory card into your computer. Some of the computer has inbuilt memory card ports, but if your computer has not inbuilt memory card slots, you can use card reader to connect your SD card into your computer. Once you're done with that, you can go to deep scan recovery option. So now you need to select your drive to scan the recovery data. Then after, tap on next. This will take time around 15 minutes depending on your device storage. So you can see it is already found 93 files and it takes around 19 or 20 minutes. Wait for the completion, this progress bar. Then after, you can see preview data and you can recover those data. So this is how you can recover the memory card data in using your computer and this software. This one has a paid version also. It has some more capabilities, but I think the simply data recovery is enough using this free version. And if you think this video is helpful, please consider subscribe and liking this video.